Hey there, it's Patrick at Fit3D. A few of you asked me, how do I use this promo code that you just sent me? So Fit3D with our subscriptions, anyone that checks out right here, you see there's a promo code. And so what we would do is if you want to tell people your network or email them or post on social media, they're going to put this promo code here. They will get $10 off their first month. And then you, the person that shared your code, will get $20 off your bill as long as they stay a customer. So to show you an example, which is made up, I just searched for a promo code on Instagram. And so you can either have it in the visual form here, or you can have it, let me hide that, in the description. So I think that's what I would recommend, right? Because right here, if you need to, you could copy and paste this. So I would copy and paste. I heard about this amazing scanner called Fit3D. I'm going to copy this code, visit their website. I'm going to go to their website, right? And then they're going to sign up here. And when they subscribe to the new plan, they're going to go promo code, paste it there, and hit apply. This one obviously isn't going to work because that is not the promo code that we've entered. It's not your promo code. But this is where you would enter it. And then for your next bill, you'd get the $20 off. And the person that signed up under your name, whether they talk to you or not, will get the $10 off. So that is how our new promotion works. Thank you very much.